Imagine cleaning with a beam of light. A light so precise that it only vaporizes the rust, the paint, or the grime, leaving the material underneath perfectly untouched. This isn't science fiction anymore. Today, we're looking at a fundamental shift in how industries get things clean. So let's dive into the technology that's making it all happen.
But first, let me ask you this. What's the true cost of how you're cleaning things right now? Because honestly, it's not just about what you pay for abrasives or chemicals. It's about the labor, the waste disposal, the expense of rework, and even the damage to your valuable parts. You gotta wonder, are these hidden costs what's really holding your business back? For decades, we've kind of been stuck relying on the same old methods. And yeah, they get the job done, most of the time, but they come with a really heavy price when you look at how inefficient, inconsistent, and just plain costly they are. Let's just put it side by side. On one hand, you've got the traditional ways, mechanical grinding, chemical stripping. These things need highly skilled operators. They create a mess of dust and toxic waste. And let's be honest, the quality can be all over the place. But the ideal solution? Well, that would be something precise, totally waste-free, and so simple anyone could operate it. And that ideal solution? It's not just a concept anymore. It's real, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. We're not just talking about a small improvement here. This is a complete reinvention of the entire process.
What you're seeing is really the next major leap in surface treatment technology. It's a system that was designed from the ground up to just eliminate all the compromises we've had to make with those older, messier technologies.
500%. What does a number like that even mean in the real world? It means that by using AI, the Chihalo can slash processing time so dramatically compared to something like manual grinding, it completely changes the economics of your production. That is a truly game-changing leap in productivity.
So how in the world does it do that? Well, the magic is in its ability to see, to think, and to adapt all in real time. And because of that, it completely gets rid of the need for any complex, time-consuming manual programming.
At the heart of it all is the AI optimization engine. The easiest way to think about it is as the machine's brain. It processes a staggering 10,000 data points every single second, constantly analyzing the surface and automatically tweaking everything, from the laser power to the scanning speed, to get a perfect finish, every single time.
And what does all that incredible brain power get you? Precision. Unbelievable precision. The built-in 3D vision system guides that laser with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.01 millimeters. That's a level of control that is physically impossible for a human hand to achieve.
But what's truly remarkable is how all this incredibly advanced tech is made so simple for the user. It's a true zero programming system. You just plug it in, the AI automatically figures out the material and what's on it, and then you start the entire cleaning cycle with a single touch. No expert programmer, no long training sessions needed.
Okay, so those are some big claims, right? But bold claims are one thing. Results are what really matter. The advantages of the Chihalo aren't just theory. They are backed by hard data and proven performance in some of the world's most demanding industries.
And the applications are just incredibly diverse. We're talking everything from super precise weld prep in auto manufacturing to delicate paint stripping in aerospace, and even restoring priceless cultural artifacts. This technology is already delivering amazing results in fields where precision is absolutely not negotiable.
The data just makes the difference crystal clear. Look at this. Setup time drops from a half hour, maybe more, down to just 5 minutes. Precision improves by an order of magnitude. And the operating cost? It plummets to just 2 cents per square meter. It literally outperforms the old methods in every single category. And of course, those operational advantages translate directly to your bottom line. Think about it. An 80% drop in labor costs because automation is doing the heavy lifting. A 95% reduction in material costs because there are zero consumables. And a 70% cut in quality costs thanks to fewer defects and way less rework. So what does this all mean for the initial investment? Well, the financial case is just so compelling. For most businesses, the payback period is only 12 to 18 months. The savings it generates literally pay for the machine itself, and fast. But the long-term view? That's even more impressive. Over a 10-year period, we're seeing businesses get a return on their investment of between 400 and 800%. This isn't just a new tool, it's a powerful financial asset for your entire operation.
So you might be wondering, okay, how do I figure out if this is the right fit for my specific needs? Well, the path forward is designed to be super simple, totally transparent, and completely risk-free for you.
It all starts with a free consultation, just to talk about your requirements. Then you can actually see the results for yourself with complimentary sample testing on your own parts. From there, we'll provide a detailed ROI analysis so you see the exact financial justification before you ever make a commitment. It's a process that's built on proof, not just promises.
You know, the question is no longer if industrial cleaning will become automated and intelligent, but really, when are you going to make the switch? The technology to build a cleaner, more efficient, and way more profitable operation is right here. Your path to smart cleaning starts today.